I welcome you to our next question. We are still looking at how we deal with the logarithmic equations with similar bases. We have so far looked at a number of examples, and I believe we are now grasping some skills and knowledge. Otherwise, here is another one. If at all this is your first lesson with us, please, we have already moved. But the good news is, you have got us. Just go to our source where we have gotten this from, whether Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, or YouTube. Scroll down, you find the previous lessons, and go through them so that we move together. Otherwise, we are told to solve the equation, which is 2 log ay minus log a5y minus 24 equaling to log a4. So the first step always when you face such a challenge is to bring this power up, so that we get log ay squared minus log a5y minus 24 equaling to log a4. After that, we are going to apply the rules of logarithms. Since we have a minus, we shall bring up that, which is that when I'm subtracting, I divide the first power, which is y squared, over the next power, which is 5y minus 24. This giving us log a4. The moment I get log on both sides, I'm free to cancel them out and consider the powers. That is to say, I'll end up with y squared over 5y minus 24 equaling to 4. Cross multiply to get us y squared equaling to 20, because 5 times 4 is 20, and then 96. So this is 20y minus 96. So we crossed over to get a quadratic equation. The moment you have a second degree, just know that is a quadratic equation of the second degree, or power 2. So we shall solve this simultaneously. We shall solve this using methods of solving quadratic equations. The most familiar is the one of factorization. We have the bulldozer method or quadratic formula. We have completing squares. So for me, I'm going to pause from here, because we have seen how we solve the equations in our previous examples. Almost each example was driving us to the same. So we have looked at a number of them, and I know that you now know how to do that. Otherwise, whenever you get a negative answer, you take the positive one, because we cannot have log of a negative. That is very important. So you look at your answer as you get there. If y is a negative, consider the positive one. The other one will be undefined. Otherwise, that has been for now. Please, let us prepare for the next question. Don't always forget to like, comment, so that we know how we may serve you better. If we are serving you to expectations, hey, that's good. Do appreciate, so that we also know that our job is being appreciated. Otherwise, the most appreciation is by subscribing to our YouTube channels. We have a number of them. Whenever you get one of them, scroll down to featured channels, you'll see them. Please do subscribe to them. Follow and like our Facebook pages. Follow our TikTok accounts, Instagram, and Twitter. Just search for Wuna Educational Services on any social media platform. Bye bye.